Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Emily. You can see my dog Charlie here in the background. Today we are going to walk about 5 minutes in the comfort of your own living space. No fancy equipment needed, just slip on your sneakers and let's get started. So we'll start today in our gentle walk. As always, we're walking in place. Use the space you have and let's make it happen today. Walking helps reduce stress, improves our energy levels, and also our balance and mobility. In just 5 minutes here, start to get the heart rate up a little bit. Move your arms, move your legs. Let's have some fun today as we walk. Create some positive change. Go ahead and move into your side steps. So 4 basic moves. This is number 2, a side step. And you can see I'm slipping all over this ice. I did not anticipate it to be so slippery today, but we make it happen, right? Use what you got. You got a slippery space. I do encourage you to be careful. Just go for it. Have some fun. Return to your walk. And always coming back to that home base. We're walking in place. You can see I'm trying to call Charlie. Don't want him to run off. Walk, walk, walk. All right, here we come. Up on our next move, it's going to be a kick. Go ahead and just alternate your kicks and then see if you want to get the arms involved. I'm reaching out and out and out and out. As always, the arms are secondary. If you just want to do the kicks, that is an option here. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return back to your home base. Walk it out. Get the feet a little higher. Maybe your heart rate's coming up already. This is great. Nice job. Let's do our last basic move. It's a knee lift. And alternating knees up and up. Belly draws into the spine. Engage that 360 core. Maybe you reach the arms for a little bit more activation here. I hope you're smiling. I had so much fun with this workout, and I sure hope you are having fun too. We return to our walk here, march it out. Get the knees a little higher, breathe a little deeper, check in with that breath today. Go ahead and get the arms up. So inhale, big circles around, and exhale. Nice, just get that mobility in the shoulders, the upper body engaged. Reverse your circles in your own time, and maybe 2 or 3 in this direction. Nice. And just see how you feel. And we'll return to our walk here. Coming up on our halfway mark, a little over halfway. Get those knees going. Go ahead and give me some kicks here. We kick it out. Your legs could be high like mine. They might be a little bit lower. Somewhere in the middle, it's all good. As long as you're moving your body, you are doing it right. Nice. Return to your walk when you're ready. Let's see, I'm checking my watch here. Looking for Charlie. Take your side steps. Use the space you got. Be careful. And just have some fun. Maybe you sink a little bit lower. Activate those backside muscles of independence. Always check in with your joints too. So if this is not feeling good in your hips or your knees, skip it. We're here for 3, 2, and 1. Return back to your walk and march it out. Maybe you get the arms a little faster, move the legs a little higher. Nice job. All right, take the feet wide and bring them back together. Just a few rounds here. Widen your stance. And bring it back. Again. Take a little kick back with me. When you're ready, just kick one leg and then the other. If you like your arms up, you might reach the arms up and pull the arms down. But that's always an option. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to your walk. We're finishing up. We're going to close out strong here. Keep breathing. Keep moving. Make it happen today. A little hug asana. Give yourself some love here. Give yourself a big squeeze. If you want to incorporate the breath, I like to inhale, extend my arms, and then exhale, squeeze it all in. Nice. Take in what you have around you, your beautiful surroundings, whether you're outside or indoors. Invite some positive energy. Nice job. Shake it all out. Let those arms go. We're going to finish up here strong. You got this. Nice job. Go for the gold. Get the legs up. Let's go. I know I'm ready. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. 5 minutes in the books. Nice job. So proud of you. You know we are not going to skip this cool down. So once you're ready, we'll start to get the heart rate down in a healthy way. Find a big angel breath. Inhale, sweep the arms high. Exhale, let it go. Extend one arm to the sky and then fold over. Maybe you look up or down. Try it on the other side. Extend and reach. Feel length and breathe. Nice job. Some arm swings. Little Hagasana again. Nice. And then we're going to take a little crescent lunge. So step forward with one leg. Have a bend in the front knee, a bend in the back knee. Find your stability. We'll inhale and then exhale, fold over that front leg and find a breath or two here. Come on out of there. We'll step forward and try it on the other side. So bend through the front leg, bend through the back knee if that feels okay. We'll inhale deeply and exhale to fold. A little hinge at the waistline, finding a crescent lunge. Breathe. And come on out of there. Take your time. We'll take a big full angel breath to seal off the deal. Exhale, let it go. Shake it out. Much gratitude to you. You can see my little puppy all the way there in the background. I appreciate you so much, and I will see you again soon. Great job today. I'm so happy that you joined me for a little walk. Even if it was just 5 minutes, sometimes that's all it takes to just feel better, strengthen our bodies, connect with ourselves a little bit more, and help reduce stress. And that's what we did. You can see Charlie and I are back inside where it's nice and warm, but we're still enjoying the beautiful weather outside from a warmer space. If you would like to learn more about the work I do, please visit my website. It's emilydaugherty.com. And when you go over there, please grab your gentle stride guide. This is a beginner's guide to home walking. And in it, I share all kinds of tips and tools and ways to help you get started on your wellness journey. If you ever need anything, reach out. I'm here. Leave me a comment in the comments below. Or of course, you can check me out online and touch base in a deeper way. So until next time, new videos come out each week, so definitely be sure to subscribe and so that you never miss a video. But until next time, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye-bye.